Hello children. So today in a series class we are going to find out living things and non-living things. So living things are life and non-living things don't have life. Okay, so now you have a project. Here I have kept the pictures of living thing as well as non-living things. So now students, you are going to find out which is living thing and which is non-living thing and paste it in the correct column. The first column is living things and second is non-living thing. So from that you have to take the picture and paste it in the correct column. So now I am taking a first picture. So what is this? This is a bird. Hen, right? Hen can lay eggs. So it is a living thing or a non-living thing? So living things means it can able to grow, it can able to move, it can able to eat and reproduce. So hen is a living thing. So we have to paste it in the living thing column. So put gum and paste it here. Hen is a living thing. Very good. Next. So can you identify the object? What is this? Yes, water bottle. Can it move? No. Can it able to grow? No. So it cannot do anything. So what is this? It don't have life. So we have to paste this in the non-living thing. Water bottle is a non-living thing. Next. Ball. So ball is a living thing or non-living thing? Non-living thing. So it cannot able to grow, it cannot able to reproduce and it does not need any nutrients to grow. So it does not have any life. It comes under non-living thing. So paste it in the non-living thing column. Look at this picture. Tiger, right? So tiger is a living thing or a non-living thing? Yes, it is a living thing. Why it is a living thing? Because it can able to grow. It run very fast. So it depend on another animal for food. It can reproduce. So it is a living thing. So we have to paste it in the living thing column. Tiger is a living thing. Okay. Next. Bag. So bag is a living thing or a non-living thing? Bag need any food? It will grow or? No. So it does not have any life. So it is a non-living thing. So paste it in the non-living thing column. Bag is a non-living thing. Good. Fish. So fish is given here. Fish is a living thing or a non-living thing? So fish is a water animal. Fish is a water animal. It lives in water. So fish can move, right? Fish can move. It needs nutrients to grow. So fish is a living thing. So we have to paste it in the living thing column. Fish is a living thing. Very good. Next. So man. A man is standing. No, human being. People. So people is a living thing or non-living thing? So people. We. Right. So human beings are living things. They can grow. They need food to grow. So they are living things. So paste it in the living things column. So people. Peoples are living things. They need nutrients to grow. They can move from one place to another. So they are living things. Okay, next look here children. Book. So book is a living thing or non-living thing? We use book for reading or writing, no? So book is a living thing or non-living thing? So book can able to move. Come on, tell me, book can able to move? No. So it cannot able to move. It does not need any food to grow. So it does not have any life. So book is a non-living thing. So paste it in the non-living thing column. Book is a non-living thing. Good. Next, come on, look at here. Hat. So hat. Hat is a living or non-living thing? Hat, no? It is a living or non-living thing? Non-living thing. Very good. So it cannot able to grow. It cannot move from one place to another. So it does not have life. So this is non-living thing. So paste it in the non-living thing column. Okay. So hat is a non-living thing. Okay. We have one more picture left over. What is that? Tree. So tree is left here. Now tell me, tree is a living thing or a non-living thing? Yeah, it is a living thing because it can able to grow, right? Trees can able to grow. It can reproduce. So from the trees only we get fruits, vegetables, flowers and many things, right? Trees are very useful. They can grow. So now this comes under living things. So paste it in the living thing column. Okay children, so now we have completed all the pictures and separated and pasted in the column. Very good. So in living things, what are the living things? Birds, animals, trees, human. So these are living things. Non-living things means they do not have life. Water bottle, ball, bag, books and hat. So now you all understood, right? Living and non-living things. Thank you, dear children.